Hello, Libra. Oops. Hoping for some positive energies. Hoping for something that will bring enlightenment to you. See what the beginning energy is, though, coming in. You, Prince of Swords in the upright. Getting your energy back, trying to get your energy back, try to communicate with people. Doing what you're supposed to in life, you know? But with the Prince of Swords, it also could be messages that maybe you'll send a message or you receive a message that is pretty quick and to the point. With the Prince of Swords, to me, it's also like a page. You know, it is a page. So in the past, though, you were dealing with something where you were wanting your ships to come in, positive things. You're wanting to enjoy life, you know, just live it, you know, the way you're wanting to with the Three of Wands in the upright. Obstacle is actually doing it, you know, with the Seven of Wands, getting on top of things. And it's an obstacle type situation where you're having trouble doing it for some reason. Maybe you're feeling down, maybe you just don't have a lot of energy, maybe you're sick, whatever, it doesn't matter. But you're wanting those ships to come in at the same time. You're not stress type energy out there that everybody is feeling. So you may feel a little lack of motivation too because of that. Current environment, maybe dealing with the Knight of Wands. This could be a fire sign. It could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but not necessarily. It could be someone that's a bit of a go-getter. Maybe somebody around you has a lot of fire and they're saying, come on, let's go do this, let's get this done. And but like I said, you're not getting on top of things. It also could be that you're dealing with somebody who is kind of hard to pin down. They're an attractive person, like I said, high energy, and they're never how can I say it, still. So that's the current environment, but let me see what I got to clarify. You know, once I clarify, it changes stuff up. Outside influences beyond your control. What is coming towards you? The Emperor in reverse. The Emperor is about being out of control. It's about a situation out of control. Maybe you're dealing with an uncontrolled situation from a person, possibly fire sign, most likely Aries, but not necessarily. But you're dealing with someone who's a little controlling, maybe, or just situations that are out of control. And we'll clarify. Final outcome, you're not wanting to collaborate. The whole thing, though, with this, I believe the universe is telling you you got to get out there even when you don't want to. Or maybe you're just dealing with some, you know, pretty heavy energy from other people. And like I said, this will pass. This is just warning you of what could be. And then you just brush your shoulders off because it will pass. I promise you. So, in the past position, you're wanting your ships to come in, the positive things of passion, things that you love, you know, things that make you feel good, you know, in some way, give you more energy. So, the Three of Wands in the upright while you're there for Libra in the past. But steady as it goes, even though you're wanting these things to come in quickly, it will take a little bit of time. It's not that it's not coming, it is, but it's going to take some time with the Knight of Disc. Even though the Knight of Disc is a slow type of energy, like an earth element, could be an earth sign, but it's more like, I'm thinking energy where things are moving slowly forward, but they are moving. The good thing with the Knight of Disc is that even though it may be slow, it is stable and steady, and it usually pans out in the long run. So the Three of Wands in the upright, Knight of Disc in the upright, right there in the past for Libra. So, yeah, and you're just, you know, not knowing what's going on with the, excuse me, the High Priestess in reverse. It's like somebody is, it's like you're waiting and then you're like, I don't know what's going on with the High Priestess. You can't figure it out. And you're kind of losing motivation a little, but don't. It's just the energy. It's just the energy for the beginning. And then remember, you're going to have like Venus coming back into your sign soon, your own planet, you know. And then Mars will come in. That may cause a little bit of strife, but also gives you more energy, you know. So, Seven of Wands in the upright as the obstacle, getting on top of things. You just don't feel like it. Could have to do with the Princess of Cups, water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or messages of the emotional nature. Like I said, it could be a page, you know, giving a message, but you're just not feeling it. You're just feeling blah. And it says to get your emotions in a way, get your emotions right and get on top of things. That's another thing this could be, this two pair here. So the Seven of Wands in the upright, Princess of Cups in the upright is the obstacle for Libra. Why are you there? The Lovers could have to do with a lover situation. So maybe you're hoping something will come in that's to do with a lover. Or maybe you're so preoccupied with a love situation that you're putting things on the back burner when the universe says you better get on top of things so you don't lose out. But maybe, you know, like I said, those energies make you feel that way. Don't let it get to you too much. Just keep on trying. Current environment, you got the Knight of Wands. Like I said, this is like a very powerful energy where someone needs to move forward. Yeah, someone needs to make a decision. They need to change up a situation. You need to hurry up and change up a situation. That's what the universe is pretty much telling you. You may have to juggle a couple things and keep on going to do it. I know it's difficult because with the Two of Pentacles, even though change is occurring and you need to take on more than you could possibly chew it sometimes or feel like, it's necessary. And then eventually you could drop a situation, but we got to find out. So the Knight of Wands, Two of Pentacles, why there's a current environment for Libra. So you're struggling in the beginning. Yeah, you're struggling with the Prince of Swords. You're dealing with situations that are out of control. That's beyond your control. Let me put it that way. So the Emperor in reverse as the obstacle, not the obstacle, what is the outside environment for Libra? Why you there? As the outside environment, why you there? The Emperor, why you there in reverse? Ooh. An out of control, possibly beginning of a new love situation. Someone wants to offer you a new love situation that maybe you feel that will bring you out of control in some way. You may actually, for some of you, may want to start this with this person, but it's out of control. That could be it too. So the Emperor in reverse, Ace of Cups in the upright. Why are you there for Libra? As the outside environment, why are you there? With the Prince of Wands, Wands energy, you're dealing with water and fire, a lot of it, and some earth, and some air, so they're all here. But the Prince of Wands, like I said, a passionate message. Maybe I'm seeing some of you guys have something possibly coming in or wanting it slow and steady, but you're unsure of it. Someone wants to go slow and steady, or you want to go slow and steady, but you're still unsure. The obstacle is actually get on top of it, do it. It has has to do with a lover situation or emotional situation. Somebody that is the current environment can be a fire sign. Maybe they want change from you, or you want change from them, or you're unsure what to do with them. You don't know whether to go forward and change and deal with this situation or drop the ball. You may be dealing with more than just one person. The outside environment, things just went way out of control, possibly with a new love situation, and maybe even that fire sign or a fiery message or a passionate message. Now, in the end, you got the Three of Pentacles. It's like no one's working with you, or you don't want to work with anybody. Maybe you feel like I said, the situation's out of control. Maybe you're afraid to get on top of things. Maybe you're just afraid of forward movement with the energies the way they are. So the Three of Pentacles in reverse for Libra. That's the final outcome. Why you're there? Why are you not? Yeah, because you don't want to be disappointed. You're trying to come out of disappointment. You're just going through the motions, even though you got, I think, a new love offer or a new start in a love offer. But like I said, it was really out of control, a little whacked, you know. So the Three of Pentacles in reverse, why you there for Libra, and then we'll sum all this up because it is, yeah, you got Prince of Cups. That could be Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. You're not wanting to work with anything right now. Maybe you're wanting your freedom, because even though that's a fire type energy, it's also someone who likes their freedom and likes to enjoy themselves. And maybe you're just waiting. You said, I got time to do this. I don't know if I want to get into this. Because last time when I did this, it was out of control. Now I just want to enjoy my life and relax a little. But somebody is wanting something towards you that's more passionate. I see a lot of passion here. Someone wants, and maybe you just do not want to get on top of it right now because it's just in the way, because it was an out of control situation in the past or the outside environment, which I'm thinking is both. And someone wants to offer you something, but you're not willing to work with it at the end. You're wanting to, at the end, or the final card on the outside, or what is happening on the outside, is the Eight of Pentacles. It's adjustment. You need to make an adjustment, or the people around you need to make an adjustment before you will commit or work on something, because that is the Eight of Pentacles. You do get a victory at the end with the Six of Wands in the upright and a passionate one, possibly with the Queen of Cups, okay? So it looks like you're just waiting, like you don't want to dive into something because, like I said, something was out of control and you're not willing to work on it just yet. You're wanting to weigh your options and see what happens before you jump into something. But somebody is wanting a new start with you, maybe more than one person, and you're just buying your time, you know? You're just waiting on something. So that is your reading, Libra, and I will let this go, and I will give you another reading soon. Okay? Talk to you later. Bye.